Hello, this is the tutorial on how to install the GVA software. So from the compiled version for Windows, the application file is GVA subscript installer. It's downloaded from the website. Double click on this. It's going to allow us to start up the installer. It's going to give us some information. It's the version 1 software. Importantly, do not install this program in the default folder because you'll not have read and write privileges, which are required for certain features of the app to work. So I've created a folder in the user documents that will house the GVA software. If you have any questions, email gva.help@gmail.com. So here I'm going to browse for a different location and put it under the users programs. So I'm going to install it here. This is users programs GVA. Click next. The software application will download MatLab runtime and install that on the computer as well. If it is already installed, it will tell you it is already up to date and installed in its location. This does not require a MatLab license, but is required to run the app. I click begin install. It's completed. So if I go to that folder now, it has an application, and that is the GVA application. When I double click this, it will open a terminal which gives some error messages or warnings, can help with debugging. But the main app itself will open in a separate window. Here's the app itself. The application ships with some default tables which populate the various parameters, and you can overwrite these so that every time you open up the app it will load in a default configuration that is useful for you. And I will show how to do that in a subsequent tutorial. But for now, this is a good start, and I'm going to pin this to the start bar. And that's all.